Hello, I'm a mechanic named Mark. This is a 2024 Cub Cadet tractor. It has a few problems. It has a choke issue. It won't engage the choke. As you can see, someone has installed a zip tie in here that we're going to remove. I'm not sure why that was there. But the unit won't choke. It looks like the throttle cable may be in the wrong position. We're going to reset it and check it again. It appears to be working now. Set the brake and see if it'll fire up. Well, that appears to have fixed the problem. It was a simple fix. Looking at the wear pattern on the arm here, the cable was originally down here, so when it was adjusted or taken apart, and whoever it was put this on there, put it back in the wrong hole, and it was binding up the cable. So putting it back in the hole it belongs in, resetting the cable, fixes the problem. Simple fix. Hope that was helpful. I'll see you next time. Thank you.